So good morning students. Today I am going to explain about ratio and proportion from exercise 11.4. Please understand the sums and copy in your classroom children. So first question 11.4, exercise 11.4 children, and the first question is that if 3 apples cost rupees 45, how much would 5 apples cost? I repeat question children. If 3 apples cost rupees 45, how much would 5 apples cost? Children, very simple. Cost of 3 apples. Rupees how much here? 45. Cost of 3 apples rupees 45. Cost of each apple. Cost of each apple. Each apple equal to how much? Okay. Cost of each apple equal to how much here? That is plus rupees 45 by 3 equal to how much then? Rupees 15. Rupees 15 is the cost of each apple. Now cost of 5 apples. Cost of 5 apples equal to, so children here 5 into rupees 15 equal to rupees 75 rupees. Okay children, cost of 5 apples equal to 5 into rupees 15 equal to rupees 75. Okay, rupees 75 for cost of 5 apples. Is it children? This is the first question. And just copy down this first question. Okay. The cost of 3 apples rupees 45. Cost of each apple question mark, that is rupees 45 by 3 equal to rupees 15. Cost of 5 apples how much? 5 into rupees 15 equal to rupees 75. Okay children. Now question number 2. Lakshmi bought 7 books for a total of rupees 56. How much would she pay for just 3 books children? The cost of 7 books is 56 rupees. Okay, if she brought 3 books, for example, how much she could pay to the shopkeeper? So for that again same method we have to follow children. Cost of 7 books equal to cost of 7 books equal to rupees 56. Cost of 1 book equal to rupees 56 by 7 equal to rupees how much here? 56 by 7 rupees how much? Rupees 8. Rupees 8. Now the cost of 3 books how much? The cost of 3 books. The cost of 3 books equal to 3 into rupees 8 equal to rupees 24 she has to pay. Okay, she has to pay 24 rupees children. Understand? She has to pay rupees 24 for the cost of 3 books. Okay children? Okay, next question number 3. Next question number 3 children here. Question number 3. Reena wants to prepare vegetables pulao. She needs 300 grams of rice. If she has to feed 4 people, how much of rice be needed if the same pulao is prepared for 7 people? I repeat the question children. Reena wants to prepare vegetable pulao. She needs 300 grams of rice. If she has to feed 4 people, how much of rice be needed if the same pulao is prepared for 7 people? So children here, if you understand the question, let us go to the solution children. Quantity of rice required for the preparation of vegetable pulao. Quantity of rice required for the preparation of pulao, preparation of vegetable pulao, preparation of vegetable vegetable pulao for 4 people is, for 4 people, how much required children here? Is 300 grams. For 4 people is required 300 grams. Quantity of rice needed to prepare. Quantity of rice needed to prepare for one person. Equal how much here? 300 by 4. That implies how much here? How much? 75 grams. How much required? 75 grams. For one person, 75 grams of rice needed. Okay. Now, quantity of rice needed to prepare pulao for 7 persons, 7 peoples. Okay. Therefore, the quantity of rice needed for preparation of quantity of rice needed for the preparation of for 7 people. That implies how much here? 7 into 75 grams. Equal to how much know? How much you get? 525 grams. 525 grams of rice required to prepare vegetable pulao for 7 people. Okay, for 7 people it requires children. Okay, understand? Next, question number 4. Question number 4, children. The cost of 16 chairs is rupees 3,600. Find the number of chairs that can be purchased for rupees 4,500. Children, the cost of 16 chairs, children. The cost of 16 chairs equal to how much here? The cost of 16 chairs equal to how much? Rupees 3,600. Cost of one chair here. Cost of one chair equal to rupees 3,600 by 16 equal to how much? Rupees 225. Okay. Number of chairs that can be purchased for, therefore number of chairs that can be purchased for rupees 4,500. 4,500 equal to 4,500 by rupees 225. That implies if you calculate and cancel it, and you will get the answer 20 chairs. You get 20 chairs you can purchase for the cost of 4,500 children. Okay. Hope you understand all these 4 problems. Children, you can watch this video. After watching, you can start exercise 11.4. First 4 sums are explained here. Just copy as it is in your classwork notebook. The remaining sums I will tell you in the next Zoom class. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.